The P-625 modular design reduces cabling and allows for quicker component replacement. High production welding on all diameters of onshore and offshore pipelines just became more efficient with the CRC Evans P-625 welding system. The P-625's dual torches feature proprietary digital through-the-arc tracking, minimizing flaws while increasing production. The carriage has an adjustable range from flat band to small diameter pipe. High precision, zero backlash ball screws control the horizontal motion of the torch. The torch's individual vertical movements are controlled by high torque stepper motors. The P-625's torches are fully adjustable on multiple planes, allowing for exact setting of the torch angles and placement of the welding tip. The P-625 is placed on the pipe band. The carriage is pre-adjusted to the specific circumference of the pipe band. The operator utilizes the remote pendant to place the torch over the bevel prior to initiating the weld cycle. Once the weld cycle is initiated, the front torch will establish an arc and begin to oscillate as the P-625 travels down the pipe. When the rear torch reaches the pre-programmed auto start distance, it will initiate an arc automatically. Through-the-arc tracking keeps the torch position at the optimum work distance and in the center of the bevel. Each unit is specific for its side of the pipe. Upon completion of the weld, the travel motor is disengaged and the bug is removed from the band. The second unit ties in where the first unit ended the weld, completing the weld pass.